welcome to EZTitles Basic Features. This series of videos is designed to get you up and running in a number of fundamental subtitling operations. We'll learn to set up an EZTitles project and configure it correctly for your source material. We'll see how to create original subtitles, setting timecodes and text easily and efficiently. We'll show you how to work on existing subtitle projects to adjust the cues and proofread the text. And we'll take a look at a few basic import and export formats. Now, subtitling is a very hands-on activity, and with that in mind, we've designed several exercises for you to do throughout the course. That way, you can put the lessons into practice right off the bat. These assignments will usually come in the form of a short video and subtitles file, as well as answer keys for you to check your work. Well, enough talk, let's get started. We hope you enjoy the experience.